Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export the Google Sheets file as GPG or image. So in here, I've already opened the file, the Google Sheets file that I want to save as image. So if you want to do the same, you can follow these two steps. So the first options is you can just click on file, then save the Google Sheet file as PDF. You can just click on export. So after it's done exporting, you can open a new tab on your browser and then just type in PDF to GPG converter, this one. After this, you can just open the link and upload the PDF file and convert it into image. So that's the first option. The second option is you can just use a snipping tool or a screenshot apps on your computer. Okay, so just use any screenshot apps on your computer and then just capture the Google Sheets as image like this. You can just select the area that you want to save as image like this, and after that you can save it to your computer as as GPG. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.